So I got my bike for 50,000 kips, and now it's time to go to the waterfall. It's better than shitty bike, but of course not the best one. It's not like your home hardtail or something like that, but I guess it should get me there when I want, and they give it for 24 hours, so I could ride at evening or even in the morning. So vamos! So I drove around for 4-5 kilometers and I'm out of the city, out of town, and here is just green. There is green, like small fazendas. But let's continue the riding journey. So like from right of me is like farm. I don't know if it's chemical farm, but it's like fields. It's where people think they like produce something. I'm not sure, but it looks that way. And from left is kind of jungles, I hope. Now I show you the like view from the drone to fulfill this. So from to right of me there is farms, I guess. Looks like farms, but people are like really growing something here. And from left is kind of just jungles, you know. So I hope from drone you can see better. It's like 12 a.m. It's starting to get hot. The weather is like sunny and hot. I ride the half of the road, about 15 kilometers to the waterfalls, and just want to make a quick stop and to show my bicycle here. So as you see, it's not very super bike, but it's quite good for make the job, make to go that way. I hope I will not have a problem parking it near the falls.
At this stop I decided to fly the drone because the road got near the river.
I think this is like very typical Asian rural rent, so it's like one big road, not big one, one road, and then sometimes it's like nothing, sometimes it's like small villages around it, and all sell you something. The buildings are really small. I saw things like this everywhere from Sri Lanka to Nepal to I think even in Thailand. In the sun it will be like same as here, but here is like hilly, so it's like more better, more fresh.
Just at the road there was a big rice farm. Laos is still an agricultural country. There is not much factories here. At the shop, all the products are imported from Thailand or China, which makes sense.
Also, I noticed here in Laos, there's very good quality of Buddha statues in these small villages. So people are really cares about their religion, about what Buddha represents for them. I'm almost at waterfalls. So it took me about 2 hours and 30 minutes and to get here on a bicycle. It wasn't very... It's kind of hilly, so this is the main problem here. But I would encourage you to do the same because it's really nice. Looks like this was like the first waterfall, and now the second one.
After the biggest waterfall, the road goes up to the top.
This open terrace is the final point for the whole pass to the waterfalls, I think it's like not nothing special. This kind of waterfall you can see anywhere from Mexico or even Thailand, like Erawan Falls, or in Chiapas, some falls I forgot its name, I'll write it down. And but if you're in Laos and you're in Luang Prabang, definitely go here too. And I like the stairs because I could, you know, if you see something open area, just fly your drone. But now it's time to try to swim somewhere because I check out all the places and choose the best one to swim. Let's see. So it's time to say goodbye to the waterfalls. I have 2 hours to bicycle ride to get back. So I swim a little, jump a little. It's a great place for a day visit, and especially to ride on a bicycle here. So I guess that's it for today. I will let some footage of going back on my bicycle.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.